The evening is setting outside your window. The day is slowing down. You are back home after work, school, or errands in the United States. Shoes come off. The room feels quieter. This is the moment when English can feel calm instead of stressful. Tonight, we will practice simple English together while your evening gently unfolds. Take a breath. You are safe. You are learning. You are right where you need to be. Now listen carefully. Evening English is soft English. It is not rushed. People speak more slowly. Voices are relaxed. This is a perfect time to practice. You do not need energy. You only need attention. We will use easy words, real words, words people use every evening in American life. You can listen. You can repeat. You can imagine each moment. Take your time. Let's begin with coming home. You open the door. You step inside. You say, "I am home." Repeat after me. I am home. Good. If someone is there, they may say, "Welcome back." Repeat, "Welcome back." You can answer, "Thank you." Repeat, "Thank you." Or you can say, "It was a long day." Repeat slowly, "It was a long day." This is very common in the evening. Now imagine you're talking about your day. Someone asks, "How was your day?" Repeat, "How was your day?" You can answer in a simple way. "It was good." Repeat, "It was good." Or, "It was busy." Repeat, "It was busy." Or, "It was long but okay." Repeat slowly, "It was long but okay." All of these are natural evening answers. Let's continue. You want to relax. You say, "I need to rest." Repeat, "I need to rest." Or, "I am tired." Repeat, "I am tired." These are very common evening sentences in American English. You can also say, "I am exhausted." Repeat, "I am exhausted." That means very tired. Now imagine you are talking about dinner. Someone asks, "What do you want for dinner?" Repeat, "What do you want for dinner?" You can answer, "I don't know." Repeat, "I don't know." Or, "Maybe something light." Repeat slowly, "Something light." Or, "I want something easy." Repeat, "Something easy." Evening food is often simple. Now imagine you are cooking. You say, "I am making dinner." Repeat, "I am making dinner." Or, "I am heating food." Repeat, "I am heating food." If someone offers help, they say, "Do you need help?" Repeat, "Do you need help?" You can answer, "Yes, please." Repeat, "Yes, please." Or, "No, I'm okay." Repeat, "No, I'm okay." Both are polite. Let's continue with eating. You sit down. You say, "Let's eat." Repeat, "Let's eat." Or, "Dinner is ready." Repeat, "Dinner is ready." During dinner, people talk lightly. They may say, "This is good." Repeat, "This is good." Or, "This tastes good." Repeat slowly, "This tastes good." You can also say, "I like this." Repeat, "I like this." Now imagine you finished eating. You say, "I'm full." Repeat, "I'm full." Or, "That was enough." Repeat, "That was enough." Someone may say, "Do you want more?" Repeat, "Do you want more?" You can say, "No, thank you." Repeat, "No, thank you." Polite and calm. Let's move into evening activities. You want to relax. You say, "I want to watch TV." Repeat, "I want to watch TV." Or, "I want to relax." Repeat, "I want to relax." Or, "I want to sit down." Repeat, "I want to sit down." These are very normal evening sentences. Now imagine you turn on the TV. You say, "What should we watch?" Repeat, "What should we watch?" Someone answers, "Let's watch a movie." Repeat, "Let's watch a movie." Or, Let's watch something light. Repeat slowly. Something light. Evening shows are often calm. Now imagine you are using your phone. You say, I am checking my messages. Repeat, I am checking my messages. Or, I am scrolling. Repeat, I am scrolling. Or, I am replying to messages. Repeat slowly, I am replying to messages. This is very common in the evening. Let's continue. Someone asks, did you finish your work? Repeat, did you finish your work? You can answer, yes, I did. Repeat, yes, I did. Or, not yet. Repeat, not yet. Or, I will finish it later. Repeat slowly, I will finish it later. Now imagine you are talking about tomorrow. Evening is often a planning time. Someone asks, what are you doing tomorrow? Repeat, what are you doing tomorrow? You can say, I have work tomorrow. Repeat, I have work tomorrow. Or, I have an appointment. Repeat, I have an appointment. Or, I don't know yet. Repeat, I don't know yet. Let's move into evening routines like cleaning. You say, I need to clean up. Repeat, I need to clean up. Or, I need to wash the dishes. Repeat, I need to wash the dishes. Or, I will do it later. Repeat slowly, I will do it later. These are very natural sentences. Now imagine someone reminds you. They say, don't forget. Repeat, don't forget. You can answer, okay, I won't. Repeat, okay, I won't. Or, I remember. Repeat, I remember. Calm and polite. Let's continue. Evening is often a quiet talking time. Someone asks, are you okay? Repeat, are you okay? You can say, yes, I'm okay. Repeat, yes, I'm okay. Or, I'm just tired. Repeat, I'm just tired. Or, I need some quiet time. Repeat slowly, I need some quiet time. Now imagine you are studying or reading. You say, I am studying English. Repeat, I am studying English. Or, I am reading a book. Repeat, I am reading a book. Or, I am practicing. Repeat, I am practicing. Evening is a good time to learn calmly. Now listen carefully. Evening English is gentle. People speak softly. You can ask people to speak softly too. You say, can you speak a little quieter? Repeat slowly, a little quieter. Or, I'm tired. Repeat, I'm tired. People understand this in the evening. Let's continue with family or roommates. Someone says, I'm going to take a shower. Repeat, I'm going to take a shower. You can answer, okay. Repeat, okay. Or, take your time. Repeat, take your time. Very friendly. Now imagine bedtime is coming. You say, it's getting late. Repeat, it's getting late. Or, I should go to bed soon. Repeat slowly, I should go to bed soon. These are very common evening phrases. Someone asks, what time are you going to bed? Repeat, what time are you going to bed? You can answer, around 10. Repeat, around 10. Or, around 11. Repeat, around 11. Or, not too late. Repeat, not too late. Let's continue. You prepare for bed. You say, I am brushing my teeth. Repeat, I am brushing my teeth. Or, I am washing my face. Repeat, I am washing my face. Or, I am getting ready for bed. Repeat slowly, I am getting ready for bed. Now imagine someone wishes you well. They say, good night. Repeat, good night. You can answer, good night. Repeat again, good night. Or, sleep well. Repeat, sleep well. Or, see you tomorrow. Repeat, see you tomorrow. These are warm evening phrases. Now, listen carefully. In American English, evening goodbyes are gentle. You do not rush, you speak kindly, you smile. Even on the phone, people say, "I'm going to bed now." Repeat, "I'm going to bed now." Or, "I'll talk to you tomorrow." Repeat slowly, "I'll talk to you tomorrow." Let's continue with phone calls in the evening. Someone calls and says, "Did I wake you?" Repeat, "Did I wake you?" You can say, "No, it's okay." Repeat, "It's okay." Or, "I was just resting." Repeat, "I was just resting." Evening calls are usually short. Now imagine you want to end the call. You say, "I should go now." Repeat, "I should go now." Or, "Let's talk tomorrow." Repeat, "Let's talk tomorrow." Or, "Have a good night." Repeat slowly, "Have a good night." Let's move into feelings. Evening is when feelings come out. You say, "I feel tired." Repeat, "I feel tired." Or, "I feel relaxed." Repeat, "I feel relaxed." Or, "I feel calm now." Repeat slowly, "I feel calm now." These words are important. Someone may ask, "How do you feel?" Repeat, "How do you feel?" You can answer, "I feel okay." Repeat, "I feel okay." Or, "I feel better now." Repeat, "I feel better now." Now imagine a quiet evening alone. You say, "It's quiet tonight." Repeat, "It's quiet tonight." Or, "It's peaceful." Repeat, "It's peaceful." Or, "I like quiet evenings." Repeat slowly, "I like quiet evenings." Let's continue. You prepare things for tomorrow. You say, "I need to set my alarm." Repeat, "I need to set my alarm." Or, "I need to prepare my clothes." Repeat, "I need to prepare my clothes." Or, "I will do it in the morning." Repeat slowly, "I will do it in the morning." Now imagine someone reminds you again. They say, "Don't stay up too late." Repeat, "Don't stay up too late." You can answer, "I won't." Repeat, "I won't." Or, "I'll try." Repeat, "I'll try." Friendly and honest. Let's slow down even more. Evening English is soft. You do not push yourself. You let the words come easily. Repeat quietly in your mind if you feel sleepy. This still helps. Now imagine one full evening in your life. You come home, you talk about your day, you eat dinner, you relax, you check your phone, you clean a little, you plan tomorrow, you get ready for bed. All in English, simple English, real English. You are not memorizing, you are living the language. This is how English becomes natural. This is how confidence grows, slowly, gently, every evening. Take a breath. Notice how your body feels. Notice how English feels now. It feels lighter, easier, more possible. You are doing something good for yourself. Even a few minutes of calm practice matters. Evening practice is powerful because your mind is open and relaxed. Thank you for spending your evening with me. I hope this practice helped you feel calm and confident. I'll see you again soon with English Teaching Friends. Please subscribe.